Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by collecting credentials and deciding how you want mail stored. IMAP keeps mail on the server, POP downloads it. Once you have your address, password, and any two-factor code, open Outlook and choose Add Account. Make sure automatic setup is allowed. If not, pick manual setup and select IMAP, POP, or Exchange. This first step prevents delays later and ensures Outlook can authenticate with your provider. Set a recognizable account name so you can manage multiple addresses easily. Now you perform the detailed configuration. Choose a map for synced folders, enter incoming server, port, and security type exactly as your provider specifies. Next, set the outgoing SMTP host and port and enable SSL or TLS to encrypt credentials. Once done, ensure SMTP authentication uses the same username and password unless your provider gives separate SMTP credentials. Save the settings and test sending and receiving. This confirms both directions work and avoids partial setups that leave you unable to send mail. Finish by testing thoroughly. Send an email to yourself, check inbox sync, and subscribe to folders you need. If login fails, make sure two-factor either uses an app password or OAuth. Many providers block basic auth. If messages still fail, verify ports and SSL/TLS settings and temporarily disable firewall or antivirus to rule out blocking. Finally, make small changes one at a time and test after each. This helps you isolate issues quickly and get Outlook reliably handling your mail.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.